Salt is amazingly powerful. It can tackle all kinds of stains. 1. If your white clothes have yellowed over the summer, don't throw them away. Instead, put them in a basin and add toothpaste, a bit of salt, some detergent, and soak in warm water, about 50 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes. Gently scrub, and the yellow stains will wash right out. Rinse, air dry, and they'll be as white as new. 2. Pour boiling water over your cutting board, add salt, and scrub away surface dirt. Use baking soda to clean deep-seated grime and vinegar for disinfection. Gently wipe with your clean hand, rinse with boiling water, and the board will be as clean as new. 3. Put some aluminum foil from a medicine packet into a bowl, add toothpaste, salt, and vinegar, then pour in some boiling water. Put your silver jewelry in there and stir continuously. When you take it out, it'll be gleaming. For if you've accidentally got oil stains on your clothes, rub some salt and dish soap on it. It will look like new. 5. If your stove is hard to clean, sprinkle on some salt, dish soap, and baking soda. Lay a layer of paper towel on top and sprinkle with vinegar. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and the grease will be easy to clean. A quick wipe with a rag and your stove will be clean as new. 6. If your shoes have mildewed, you don't have to throw them away. Add salt, baking soda, and vinegar to hot water, along with some shower gel. Stir it all together, soak the shoes for 20 minutes, then scrub a few